Welcome to the North Pole and happy holidays! What is Mr. Elf's treat of the day? Cookie shots! If you want to enjoy cookies and milk at the same time, these chocolate chip cookie shots are for you. And to complement them with these super cool candy cane shot glasses, make sure you watch my next upload. Now let's get to the cookie shots. Thumbs up this video if you love cookie dough. In our mixing bowl, we're going to add a half a cup of room temperature butter along with a half a cup of shortening, creaming those together until it is light and fluffy. This creams beautifully as long as your butter is softened beforehand. Go ahead and mix in a half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of granulated sugar, and a quarter cup of powdered sugar. Using more brown sugar is actually what gives your cookie a softer texture. And if you guys are having fun, make sure to join the party and subscribe. I have more recipes coming up for the holidays and you don't want to miss out. After beating 1 whole egg in there, pour 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of salt. For the last dry ingredient, I'm gradually incorporating 2 1/4 cups of flour. There is no leavening needed, such as baking powder or baking soda. They will cause the cookies to overgrow while baking in the mold. Now it's time for the best part, 3/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. Give it one last mix and this dough is looking delicious. All we need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease the mold really well. This cookie shot mold is from Wilton and I will link it down below in the description box. On my scale, I measured out 60-gram pieces of dough that are rolled into a ball and placed one into each cavity. Then press the included insert in the center. It's really that simple. Once they are all set, you can pop them in the oven for 15 to 17 minutes. Right after you take them out and they are still warm, trim the excess off the top with a knife to even out the edge. You may remove them from the mold after 10 minutes and coat the inside with some yummy melted chocolate. If you would like a guide on how to melt it, you can check out my Hot Cocoa Bombs video. I evenly brushed the chocolate inside of the cup, then emptied the excess into a separate bowl because you don't want crumbs getting into your dipping chocolate. Twist the cup around to coat the rim and immediately dip into your favorite sprinkles while it is still wet, and you have your cookie shot to decorate however you like. One option is sugar decorations. I attach them to the cookie with some melted chocolate as an easy yet festive way to decorate. They are pre-made and sold in many stores, or you can use icing. I made a tree design with this green color and piped that on with a star tip, then sprinkled rainbow nonpareils for the lights and topped with a star. Another suggestion is fondant, just like I used here to cut out these holly leaves and berries as another holiday design. And again, I use melted chocolate to help secure everything in place. I hope Santa's cookies are even better this year in cookie shot form. Just don't forget the milk. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.